How to fit a universal adapter on your DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool. So now for me, this is the easiest one to fit. You press this lever down here, press it down. This opens this gap up, and you want to slot the blade in like that. Then you want to make sure this is flat, and then you attach like that. Now, if you're thinking this is a universal blade, this is called a Starlock blade, and most people will have these as the older blades, what most people will have been using before these come around. And to fit them, it's very easy. I've made a video previously how to fit them, and I'll overlay that. You need this here and this. Now you might be thinking, where do you get them from? They are in the box if you bought your DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool brand new. However, you can buy them separate, and I'll put a link in the description where you can get them from in Amazon, and you get an Allen key with it. So you can see me fitting it now. It's very easy to fit. Once you fit it, you're ready to rock and roll, and you can use it just how you would with any other blade or tool attachment. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.